Cleaning brush. The Crevice Gap Cleaning Brush tool by UWEME is a noteworthy addition to any cleaning arsenal, particularly for those keen on tackling those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. This set includes 6 handheld groove gap cleaning tools, thoughtfully designed to streamline the tedious task of cleaning various surfaces, including doors, windows, and kitchen appliances. Constructed from durable nylon and plastic materials, the brushes exhibit resistance to wear, reinforcing their longevity. Users will appreciate the medium firmness of the brushes, which strikes a balance between effective cleaning and the gentleness required on delicate surfaces. The multicolor option not only adds a vibrant touch, but also helps in distinguishing between the brushes for different uses, enhancing organization during cleaning sessions. Measuring 9.84 into 7.87 into 0.68 inches and weighing merely 1.6 ounces, this compact set is exceptionally easy to store and handle. The included components, a holder and various attachments, demonstrate UWEME's thoughtful design, ensuring that tools are easily accessible and ready for use when needed. Furthermore, with a solid average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, based on over 2,000 customer reviews, it's clear that many users have found great value in this product.